This is just a short video by way of introduction to my Red Nemesisdog YouTube channel. There are four main subjects which dominate the channel, and these reflect my personal interests, which are my camper van conversion, using the van to explore new places, day hiking and drones. I actually started this channel as a platform to share my custom drone builds, as well as some of my drone flying. After a break, I converted a long wheelbase Sprinter and shared each step of that adventure, as well as sharing the camper van conversion of my son's Vito. Obviously, once the camper was finished, I went exploring and started sharing a few of the places that I visited. I've also started sharing some of the walks and hikes I've enjoyed in an effort to show people what to expect before they travel for hours across Scotland and beyond. Going forward, I'll be uploading more videos on upgrades to the camper, my van life adventures to new places, and as many excellent walks as I can find that are worth sharing. I'll just upload stuff that might be interesting and useful to people wanting to get out there and explore new places and enjoy new experiences. So basically, what you see is what you're going to get. It's all good.